In this video, I will show how to clear search history on Windows 11. Click on Start, then Settings. Now here click on Privacy and Security. Now click on Search Permissions. Scroll down and here is the setting. History. Search history on this device. To improve your search suggestions, let Windows Search store your search history. You can clear it, you can make it off or on. And to clear, click on Clear Device Search History. So this is the method you can clear and delete search history on Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Comment on this video useful for you.